I bought my girlfriend a coffee by walking 8 blocks in -20-degree weather wearing just a t-shirt, all to prove a point. It started when she claimed chivalry was dead. I prefer cold weather, but only to a certain degree. My wife said I need to stop pretending I'm a weather reporter. More on that cold front between us later. My local weatherman just died. He was 82, but he felt like 75. What did Santa Claus say when Mrs. Claus asked him what the weather forecast was? It looks like reindeer. I once entered a weather pun competition. I beat the reigning champion. When does it start to rain money? When there is change in the weather. What did the meteorologist say when the Emperor of Rome asked him for the weather forecast? Hail, Caesar. Summer is getting too hot to wear a suit. The weather just isn't suitable. You can't change the weather in the tree, but you can climb it. I started dating a weather girl. It's nice to have a woman that's wrong most of the time. Jokes about the weather can be funny, to a certain degree. When they say it's raining cats and dogs, I guess you could say the weather is pretty rough. What is a king's favorite type of weather? Hail. South America has the perfect weather for penguins. It's nice and chilly. I became a world-renowned expert on cold weather, and it only took 2 degrees to do it. More dad jokes are on the way after this quick announcement. We produced a play about the weather and needed 8 kids to be clouds. We ended up with 12, so we're a bit overcast. Why wasn't the pilot upset about the bad weather? He's above all that. The weatherman said wind speeds can go as high as 200 miles per hour. I simply couldn't believe it. That just blew me away. I used to be a weatherman, but I had to quit after breaking both arms and both legs. I was having trouble working with the forecasts. What do you call a carnivorous weatherman? A meteorologist. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me 92,423 times, you're a weatherman. Why did the weatherman's cheeks turn pink? He saw the climate change. Why didn't the weatherman make it to the top of the ladder at his company? He didn't know how to climb it. The doctor I saw about problems with my pee just quit to become a weatherman, as he wasn't getting enough fame and attention. I'm upset that my needy urologist left to become a meteorologist. Why was Darth Vader a bad weatherman? He always said it was going to be lukewarm. I spoke to a weatherman last night. We were talking up a storm. I said there are no clouds in sight, which is a positive phrase coming from a weatherman. Too bad I'm no weatherman but chief technician of the online services at a big internet company. A meteorology student did research on the necessity of temperature change when he was in college. It was a degree requirement. I'm thinking of studying aerodynamics, but there's a chance I'll go into meteorology instead. It's still up in the air. In college, I had to take an easy filler class, so I took Introduction to Meteorology. It was not a breeze. Who is the most meteorological action star? Jean-Claude Van Damme. Due to bad weather, I won't be attending the meteorology convention. I'm gonna take a rain check. I'm Montgomery Jones. We're on a mission to spread the laughs and groans far and wide, so please do us a favor and share just one of these jokes with your family and friends today. Thanks. Looking for more dad joke humor to share? Then subscribe to our new weekly email newsletter. It's our weekly roundup of the best dad jokes, memes, and humor for you to enjoy. Spread the laughs and groans and sign up today. Check the sign up link in the show notes page or visit dailydadjokespodcast.com. The Daily Dad Jokes Podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. This show was recorded in front of a canned studio audience.